The Tesla Cybertruck, a tale of hype and reality. Hey there, truck fans and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of electric vehicles, specifically the Tesla Cybertruck. This futuristic-looking ride has been making waves, but not always for the reasons you might think. Let's break down what's been happening with used Cybertruck prices and why it matters. First things first, if you're enjoying this content and want to stay up to date with the latest in the automotive world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the freshest news and insights. Now, let's talk Cybertrucks. When Tesla first announced this electric beast, people went crazy. It was like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, and everyone wanted a piece of the action. But as time has passed, things have changed, and not necessarily in the way Tesla might have hoped. Here's the scoop. Used Cybertruck prices have been falling faster than a lead balloon. We're talking about a drop from around $250,000 earlier this year to just about $120,000 now. That's a huge change. But why is this happening? Well, there are a few key reasons. First up, Tesla's been busy. They've ramped up production big time, cranking out over 1,300 Cybertrucks every week. That's a lot of trucks hitting the streets. And when supply goes up, what happens to prices? You guessed it, they go down. Think of it like this. Imagine you've got a super rare trading card. If there's only one in the world, it's worth a fortune. But if suddenly everyone's got one, it's not so special anymore, right? That's kind of what's happening with the Cybertruck. But it's not just about how many trucks are out there. People's excitement about the Cybertruck has cooled off a bit. At first, it was the coolest thing since sliced bread. Everyone wanted to be the first on their block to have one. Some folks were even buying them just to sell them for a profit. But now, the novelty has worn off, and people are starting to look at the Cybertruck with a more critical eye. Here's where things get interesting. Some buyers have reported issues with the Cybertruck's design and quality. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad truck, but when you're shelling out big bucks for a vehicle, you expect it to be perfect, right? These concerns have made some potential buyers think twice. But let's zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture. The whole electric vehicle market is going through changes. Used EV prices across the board have dropped by about 20% compared to last year. So, the Cybertruck isn't alone in this price roller coaster. Now you might be wondering, is this good or bad news? Well, it depends on who you ask. If you've been dying to get your hands on a Cybertruck but couldn't afford those sky-high prices, this could be your chance. On the flip side, if you bought one hoping to make a quick profit, you might be feeling a bit disappointed. Here's something to chew on. Tesla recently removed the cheapest Cybertruck option from their website. The base model used to start at about $61,000, but now the most affordable version will set you back nearly $100,000. That's a big jump, and it might turn some buyers away. But let's not count Tesla out just yet. They've been through ups and downs before, and they always seem to come out swinging. The Cybertruck is still a groundbreaking vehicle, and it's got features that make other trucks look like they're stuck in the Stone Age. So, what does all this mean for the future of electric trucks? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing's certain, the automotive world is changing fast. Electric vehicles are here to stay, and companies like Tesla are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a die-hard Tesla fan or just curious about the future of transportation, the Cybertruck story is one to watch. It's a perfect example of how hype, reality, and market forces can collide in unexpected ways. As we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Cybertruck? Are you excited about electric trucks, or do you prefer the rumble of a good old-fashioned engine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going. Remember, the world of cars and trucks is always evolving, and what seems cutting edge today might be old news tomorrow. That's what makes this industry so exciting. There's always something new on the horizon. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive insights and analysis. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your mind on the future.